Did you know that fossil fuel furnaces and boilers are major contributors to carbon emissions? If you are using oil, gas, or solid fuels, then you may be interested in a renewable heating and cooling system called a heat pump, which is a cleaner, more economical, more comfortable way to heat and cool your home, and has a significantly lower carbon footprint. In this short animation, we want to explain the fundamentals of how a heat pump works and its benefits. A heat pump is the most efficient heating and cooling system available today. That is because rather than generating heat, a heat pump simply transfers heat from one place to another, a much more efficient use of electricity. In the warmer months, a heat pump pulls heat from inside your home and transfers it outside, cooling your home much like an air conditioner would. In the cooler months, it reverses the process and extracts heat from outside air and transfers that heat into your home. The heat pump technology can be connected to heating systems, including air-to-air, underfloor heating, and hot water tanks. Depending on your home's air-to-air needs, you can have units mounted on your wall or floor or concealed within your home. Electricity is used in this reliable process, and for every unit used, 4 to 5 units of energy are produced, making it extremely efficient. Heat pumps have simple and excellent controls, keeping your home very comfortable at all times, never too hot or too cold, and set to suit your personal comfort level. If you are using an air-to-air indoor unit, it provides the additional benefit of air filtration in your home, resulting in improved air quality with whisper-quiet operation, perfect for any home. This system can reduce your energy bills of up to 50% and are commonly fitted in new homes or retrofitted in older homes, replacing existing systems like gas furnaces and electric baseboards, and work best in homes that are well insulated. Heat pumps require minimal maintenance and have a longer lifespan than conventional heating systems. With the newest heat pump technology, it allows you to utilize the system efficiently in colder climates up to -25 degrees Celsius. With new improved rebates available for both installing and replacing inefficient systems with heat pump technology, now is the time to embrace this modern and efficient heating and cooling system, which will improve your heating, cooling, and hot water needs. For more information, go to www.airlux.ca.